Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, expert-level beauty insights with every product we review. Now, if you have long hair like I do, you know that finding a curling iron that can handle the length, create lasting curls, and still leave your hair looking shiny and healthy is no small feat. That's where today's product comes in, the Sam Villa Professional Curling Iron. This tool promises to deliver shiny waves and curls with its innovative ceramic core and extended barrel. But does it really live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Sam Villa Professional Curling Iron is designed for those with long hair, offering both a 1-inch and 1.5-inch barrel option to suit different curl sizes. It features dual ceramic core heating that ensures even heat distribution, so your curls are consistent from root to tip. The stainless steel barrel is scratch resistant, which is important for those of us who tend to get a bit heavy-handed during styling. When it comes to performance, I was curious to see if the longer barrel would actually make a difference, and it certainly did. The extended length made it much easier to wrap sections of hair, especially the bottom layers that tend to be difficult to curl without re-wrapping multiple times. The barrel is smooth, which reduces the risk of snagging your hair, and the ceramic core helps the heat spread evenly, ensuring that each curl holds without any damage. In terms of speed, this curling iron heats up pretty quickly, around 30 seconds, give or take. That's a huge win for anyone who's in a rush in the morning. The heat is consistent throughout, and I didn't experience any hot spots, which can often lead to uneven curls or, worse, heat damage. I tested it on both freshly washed hair and second-day hair, and both times, it delivered beautifully soft, voluminous curls that lasted all day. When it comes to ease of use, I found that the long barrel was a game changer. It made styling much more efficient, especially when I was curling large sections of hair at once. The handle is ergonomic and comfortable to hold for extended periods, and the dual voltage capability is perfect for those who travel. It automatically adapts to different power systems, so no more worrying about voltage converters. Now, no product is without its flaws. One downside I noticed is that the curling iron doesn't have adjustable heat settings, which might be a deal breaker for people with finer or more delicate hair. While the heat is effective, having the option to customize the temperature would be a nice addition. As for value for money, the Sam Villa Professional Curling Iron is on the higher end of the price spectrum. But considering the quality of the materials and the professional level results, I think it's a solid investment for anyone who regularly styles their hair. It heats up quickly, creates long-lasting curls, and the extended barrel is a feature that truly sets it apart from standard curling irons. In comparison to other high-end curling irons on the market, like the T3 or Babyliss Pro, I'd say the Sam Villa stands out in terms of performance and build quality. It heats up faster, and the long barrel is a thoughtful touch, especially for those with longer hair. If you're used to using other high-quality irons, the Sam Villa will definitely give you that same level of professional results, if not better. In terms of build quality, this curling iron feels robust and solid. The stainless steel barrel is scratch-resistant, which means it'll stay looking new for longer. I didn't experience any issues with the construction, and it's clear that it's made to last. Unfortunately, I haven't had any direct interaction with Sam Villa's customer service, but the brand has a strong reputation in the professional beauty space, known for creating tools that stylists trust. If you do run into any issues, I'd expect their customer service to be responsive. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are some options out there, but they may not offer the same level of performance or durability. The Hot Tools Professional 24K Gold Curling Iron is a good alternative if you're after a similar look for a lower price, but you might find that the heat distribution and barrel length aren't quite as impressive as the Sam Villa. To wrap up, the Sam Villa Professional Curling Iron is a fantastic tool for anyone with long hair who wants to create shiny, voluminous curls quickly and easily. The extended barrel, fast heat-up time, and even heat distribution make it a standout product. While it's a bit pricier than some other curling irons, the quality and results justify the investment. If this review helped you decide whether this is the right product for you, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all of our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best in beauty. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this curling iron, drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.